So finally the wait is over and we see that there is a PhD excellence citation which is being introduced. Just now I got the news, I thought of sharing with you. Innovation and creation of new knowledge are essential obviously. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पे ठीक किया गया है कि कुछ रिकॉग्निशन मिलेंगे. तो कैसे मिलेंगे? जो सब्जेक्ट्स है साइंस 30, नंबर ऑफ PhD, इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, सोशल साइंस, इंडियन लैंग्वेज, मैनेजमेंट, एग्रीकल्चर साइंस, मेडिकल साइंस, एजुकेशन, कॉमर्स, फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. What are the objectives of the recognition? One needs to create a quality research ecosystem and one needs to identify high quality PhD work. What will be the coverage from science, engineering, social science, Indian language and commerce. So research scholars who have successfully defended their theses, state university, private university are deemed to be university and eligible to apply. UGC will award 10 PhD excellence citations. Okay, so what is the eligibility criteria? University can do this who have fulfilled the two conditions, have been recognized under 2F of UGC Act and have been accredited by NAC. What are the eligibility criteria for the students? URL of the recommended thesis uploaded on InfluVNet, important research publication patent from the PhD work, PhD thesis awarded in accordance with UGC regulation, has obtained PhD degree through a convocation in the last year. What are the number of nominations? Obviously it's 5 theses in a year, every university can submit. Every year UGC should felicitate the winners on 5th September commemorating the Teachers' Day. The timeline for the award ceremony will be 1st January, UGC writing to university. By 31st March one needs to submit. By 1st August a recommendation and 5th September will be the summary. So selection process will be like this, screening will be done. Originality, contribution to the knowledge, methodology, what is being used, clarity and structure, impact. This all will be seen. Reference and citation, the bibliography you can say, or acknowledgement what we say. And then we have presentation, the overall presentation of the thesis and defense. So UGC will constitute 5 selection committee. Each selection committee will select 2 candidates. The application portal, you can upload, universities will upload other nominations and the winner will be felicitated for the same. So quickly apply and see which are the theses which can be reported universities.